welcome to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while, a lot has changed. I'm a mom now. This has happened. I created this. Hi. Hey. Today's video is going to be a little self-care reset for the week. Today is Monday, but I didn't get to do this yesterday. Just did my eyebrows. I really messed them up, so I had to like fill them in, breaking out so bad. So I really want to do a reset. I really want to do like my skincare routine. I do it every night, and then plus like some facials. I like to do this weekly. Sometimes I can't do it because I'm a mom. Like a low-key, a little bit messy in here, but I have a toddler, as you can see, and he's crazy. With that being said, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me, drop a comment. Let's get into it. Just did my eyebrows. That was the first part of taking care of me. I already cleansed my face. I worked out and stuff today, so right now I'm going to do a face mask before I go shower, and we're gonna let that sit. I'm wait for my husband to come home so he can take over. I'm gonna show you the products I use and what I like to do on a weekly / day-to-day basis for my skin. Let's get this started. First things first, drink your water. Okay, water is so important. And I also made spinach, grapefruit, apple juice. So good for you, and I think it's really good for your skin. My skin always glows after I drink this though. I'm gonna read what this says. It's filled with minerals, hydrating, calming, and healing. It's infused with Roche oil, aloe, coconut oil, and hyaluronic acid to heal, tone, and remineralize your skin. This is blessed by a Buddhist monk. Love that for me. To inspire deep healing. We all need deep healing in our lives, so let's get on this. Getting kind of scary. Trust the process. Why do I look like this? Gonna shower now. Gonna use La Roche Posay cleanser. I just got off the shower. Going in with Witch Hazel toner. Usually I use exfoliating pads to apply the toner, but like I don't have any. I will be going in with the Athia face mask. Did you guys see that there's like a way to cut your face mask into like separate sections so it fits your face better? I'm not doing that right now, but it's a thing. It says I have to leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes, so we're gonna do 13. Should I like go scare my kid? Are you scared? Okay, I'm gonna take my Jade Roller and roll the product into my base. Swiping up on my jawline. I do that 5 times each side. Then I take the curved part, do that to my jawline 5 times. Take the curved part again, and then you go 5 times. You're just going up. Bring it up. These little parts. Make sure this is by your lip, it's by your nose, and you go up. Up. Do the same thing to the other side. If I have pimples, because sometimes I have cystic acne, I have to try to be really careful not to put too much pressure. I will flip it over and do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Both sides. We're gonna take this curved part and go up on the forehead. I also saw that people take this part and then they go It's super important that you drain your face. Have these lymph nodes in your neck. You're gonna take this curved part, bring it down. So the last step is moisturizing. First Aid Beauty's Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration. When I moisturize my face, I also like to massage my face. You always want to massage upwards. Down like that. My skin feels so soft right now. Low Recipes Avocado Retinol Eye Cream. Just put it right under the eye. Just dab it on. Sunscreen, my favorite. I do it every time I moisturize. That. I hope your skin slays. Comment down below your favorite skincare routine.